Hi, I'm Fejiro and I'm the face of JC Creative. Today we are going to build a responsive and modern navigation menu that works perfectly with any device. And we're also going to add subtle animation and UX touches that makes it feel professional. So now, let's start building. Step 1. HTML structure. Let's start by setting up the basic structure. We have a nav container, our brand name, and another list for the links, and a div for the hamburger menu. This gives us a clean systematic layout that is easy to style. So now let's look at how it appears on our browser. So from what you can see right now is a plain HTML5 document without any styling. Step 2. CSS styling. Now we're going to look at the base styling. We're using flexbox to align items horizontally and space them properly. Notice how the brand is bold and the links are evenly spaced. This sets a professional foundation for our navbar. Now let's look at the over effect. We add subtle over effect with the after element so a small underline appears when we over. It's a small detail but it adds a polished feel without being flashy. For the hamburger menu, we animated the hamburger icon to transform into an X when clicked. This shows users that the menu is open, and it is done purely with CSS transitions and transforms. Clean and lightweight. For the responsive design, we make the menu responsive using a media query for screens smaller than 768 px, which is pixel. We hide the normal links and display a hamburger menu instead. The nav links slide in from the right when active, giving a smooth, modern effect. Step 3. JavaScript logic. We add a click event to toggle the menu. Notice how we also prevent body scroll when the menu is open. These small UX enhancements keep the interface neat and professional. We also close the menu automatically when a link is clicked, giving a smooth single-page app feel. For the scroll effect, we add a subtle scroll effect to the navbar. As we scroll, the background becomes slightly transparent with a blur. This improves readability and adds a modern polished touch. Now, let's test all what we have done. On desktop, everything aligns perfectly. On mobile, the hamburger toggles the menu smoothly, and scroll behavior feels natural. This navbar now looks and feels professional. And that's it. We have successfully created a responsive animated navigation menu with smooth UX enhancements. You can now customize it with your own links, color and branding. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And we're going to continue on building professional responsive websites.